The Amazon. A name that echoes with mystery and wonder, a vast expanse of emerald green stretching across the heart of South America. It is a world unto itself, a place where the air hangs heavy with humidity and the sounds of life are ever present. The Amazon is a tapestry woven from millions of threads, each representing a unique species, a hidden waterfall, an ancient secret whispered by the wind. To truly understand the Amazon, one must venture beneath its canopy. Here, sunlight filters through a dense ceiling of leaves, casting an ethereal glow on the forest floor. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and exotic blooms. Creatures great and small move through this verdant labyrinth, from jaguars stalking their prey to tiny insects performing their vital roles. The Amazon's secrets are not easily revealed. They lie hidden in the intricate relationships between its inhabitants, in the ancient wisdom of indigenous tribes, and in the very air we breathe. But these secrets are vital to our understanding of the planet and our place within its delicate balance. Deep within the Amazon's emerald embrace lies a process so fundamental, so vital to life on Earth, that we often take it for granted: photosynthesis. Every leaf, every blade of grass, every tree in this magnificent ecosystem acts as a miniature factory, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releasing life-giving oxygen in return. The Amazon, with its sheer scale and density of plant life, has earned its nickname, the lungs of the Earth. It is estimated that this single rainforest produces over 20% of the world's oxygen. Each breath we take, each gasp of fresh air, is a testament to the Amazon's silent, ceaseless work. But the Amazon's role in our survival goes far beyond simply providing the air we breathe. It acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing and storing vast quantities of carbon dioxide that would otherwise contribute to the greenhouse effect and accelerate climate change. The Amazon is not just a lung, it is a giant carbon bank. For millennia, the rainforest has been diligently absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, locking it away in its trees, its soil, its very essence. This process has helped regulate the Earth's climate, keeping temperatures stable and creating the conditions necessary for life to thrive. Scientists estimate that the Amazon stores up to 100 billion tons of carbon in its biomass. This is equivalent to more than a decade of global fossil fuel emissions. The Amazon's ability to sequester carbon is a crucial buffer against the worst impacts of climate change. However, this delicate balance is under threat. Deforestation, driven by human activity, is releasing this stored carbon back into the atmosphere at an alarming rate, turning the Amazon from a carbon sink into a carbon source. The Amazon is a kaleidoscope of life, a symphony of colors, sounds, and scents. It is home to 10% of the world's known species, a staggering array of plants, animals, insects, and microorganisms, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. This biodiversity is not just a spectacle to behold, it is the very foundation of the rainforest's resilience and its ability to provide vital ecosystem services. From the iconic jaguar prowling the forest floor to the vibrantly colored macaws soaring through the canopy, each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this complex ecosystem. The intricate web of life in the Amazon is a testament to the power of evolution and the importance of preserving this irreplaceable treasure. However, deforestation is tearing apart this intricate web, driving countless species towards extinction and threatening the very survival of this irreplaceable ecosystem. Section 5. The unseen costs. Deforestation and its impacts. The lush green tapestry of the Amazon is being torn apart. Driven by agricultural expansion, illegal logging, and mining, deforestation is leaving gaping wounds in the rainforest, with devastating consequences for the environment and the people who call it home. Every year, millions of acres of rainforest are lost, cleared for cattle ranching, soy production, and other human activities. This rampant deforestation has far-reaching impacts, disrupting rainfall patterns, increasing soil erosion, and contributing to climate change. The loss of the Amazon is not just an environmental tragedy, it is a humanitarian crisis. Indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with the rainforest for generations are being displaced, their livelihoods destroyed, and their cultures threatened. Section 6. Silent Tears, Indigenous Voices from the Amazon. For centuries, indigenous communities have lived in harmony with the Amazon, their lives intricately woven into the fabric of the forest. They are the guardians of this ancient ecosystem, their knowledge and traditions passed down through generations, a testament to the enduring bond between humanity and nature. But today the voices of these communities are often silenced, their stories unheard amidst the clamor for progress and development. They are on the front lines of the battle to save the Amazon, witnessing firsthand the destruction of their ancestral lands and the erosion of their way of life. Their message is clear: the fate of the Amazon is inextricably linked to the fate of humanity. Their struggle is our struggle, their loss, a loss for us all. Section 7. A global crisis. The Amazon's fate and ours. The Amazon rainforest is not just a South American treasure, it is a global asset, vital to the health of the planet and the well-being of humanity. Its fate is inextricably linked to our own. The consequences of its destruction will be felt far beyond the borders of Brazil, impacting weather patterns, climate stability, and biodiversity loss worldwide. The Amazon plays a crucial role in regulating global rainfall patterns. Its vast expanse of trees releases moisture into the atmosphere, influencing rainfall in South America and beyond. Deforestation disrupts this delicate balance, leading to more extreme weather events including droughts and floods, impacting food security and water resources for millions of people. The loss of the Amazon would be a devastating blow to global efforts to combat climate change. The rainforest's role as a massive carbon sink is crucial for mitigating the impacts of greenhouse gas emissions. Its destruction would release billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, accelerating climate change and its devastating consequences. Section 8. Beyond the horizon, long-term impacts of deforestation. The consequences of deforestation extend far beyond the immediate loss of trees and habitat. The Amazon rainforest plays a vital role in regulating regional and global climate patterns, and its destruction could have catastrophic long-term impacts on weather systems, agricultural productivity, and human health. Deforestation disrupts the natural water cycle, leading to increased soil erosion, reduced rainfall, and more frequent and severe droughts. These changes in weather patterns can have devastating impacts on agriculture, leading to crop failures, food shortages, and economic instability. The loss of the Amazon's biodiversity also has far-reaching consequences. The rainforest is a treasure trove of undiscovered species, many of which hold potential for new medicines, agricultural products, and other innovations. Deforestation robs us of this invaluable natural heritage, limiting our ability to find solutions to future challenges. Section 9. A call to action, protecting our shared future. The fate of the Amazon rainforest hangs in the balance. The choices we make today will determine its future and, ultimately, our own. We can no longer afford to be bystanders to its destruction. The time for action is now. The international community must come together to support the protection of the Amazon. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play in reducing deforestation, promoting sustainable land use practices, and supporting the rights of indigenous communities. We must demand greater transparency and accountability from corporations operating in the Amazon, urging them to adopt sustainable practices that protect the rainforest and respect the rights of local communities. Section 10. Every action counts. Making a difference for the Amazon. The task of protecting the Amazon may seem daunting, but every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can reduce our impact on the rainforest and contribute to its preservation for generations to come. We can support sustainable agriculture by choosing products that are certified deforestation-free, such as coffee, chocolate, and timber. By reducing our consumption of meat, particularly beef, we can reduce the demand for cattle ranching, a major driver of deforestation. We can also support organizations working on the ground to protect the Amazon by donating our time or resources. By raising awareness about the importance of the rainforest and the threats it faces, we can inspire others to take action. Section 11. Hope for the Amazon, a future worth fighting for. The challenges facing the Amazon are immense, but they are not insurmountable. There is still hope for the rainforest and for the future of our planet. By working together, with a shared sense of urgency and a commitment to action, we can protect this irreplaceable treasure for generations to come. The resilience of nature is remarkable. Given the chance, the Amazon rainforest can recover from the damage that has been inflicted upon it. But it needs our help. It needs our voices to speak up for its protection, our actions to reduce our impact, and our hope to fuel the fight for its future. The fate of the Amazon is in our hands. Let us choose to be the generation that turned the tide, that chose preservation over destruction, and that secured a future where both humanity and nature can thrive.